How's everybody doing? Well, I'm making this video for someone who asked a question. Jen, this is for you. Exactly what happens when we use a pop rivet gun? Well, right here in front is our rivet. To the left is the mandrel. To the right is the rivet body. There are different size tips for the rivet gun. Inside the rivet gun there are a pair of jaws that grab the mandrel, and when you squeeze the handle, the rivet is pulled, the mandrel is pulled through the rivet, and this little button at the end of the rivet distorts the rivet and prevents it from pulling through the hole, and in a sense squeezes the parts together. Makes a pretty good mechanical joint. It's nothing I would trust in an airplane. Of course, those rivets are different and much more powerful. So here's open the rivet gun like that. We take our rivet, put it in the end of the gun, and now I'm going to demonstrate how it works. So I'll just set the camera down here, and there's one piece of metal and the second piece of metal, and I'm going to get one squeeze going here to get everything started. Okay, so there's one. I'll do another one. There's two. And then if we can see underneath between my fingers there, you can see how the body of the rivet is being distorted by the button on the mandrel. Now this third and last squeeze, you're going to hear a click, and that's the mandrel breaking off. So set the joined pieces of metal down, and then we can see there's the mandrel that has been broken off, and you can see the little lines on the body of the mandrel, I should say on the pin of the mandrel. That's where the teeth in the jaws grabbed the mandrel and pulled it up. So that just go in the trash. And now here's our assembly with the rivet securely holding everything together. Now if I were to use multiple rivets, drill multiple holes, this would be a good strong joint. I'm still able to turn it, but they work well in a lot of applications. So you can see down inside the rivet body, you can see the button of the mandrel, and you can see how the rivet has been distorted. And to get that apart, just take a drill bit and drill down through the head of the rivet, and two pieces of metal will come right apart. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a great night, and more videos to come. See ya.